Welcome to LogicCube's tutorial on the forensic Falcon-NEO. In this session, we'll show you how to set up an imaging task. I have connected a Falcon-NEO to a network, and from a PC on the same network, I've logged into the unit using a web browser so that I can operate it remotely. On the left side of the screen, you will see all of the various operations available to you. We'll start by selecting the imaging operation icon. To set up an imaging task, we'll start by tapping the mode icon and select one of the 6 modes available to us. For this tutorial, we'll select the most typical scenario, which is drive to file. Next, we'll choose our source by tapping the source icon. All drives connected to the source side of the Falcon-NEO are write-blocked and will appear in this list. Tap the information icon in the far right column to see detailed information, including drive model and serial number, about any drive connected to the source ports. Select the source drive and tap OK. Move on to the settings icon and adjust the settings as needed. Under case information, you can add a case file name, a case ID, an examiner name, evidence ID, and case notes. All of this information will appear on the log file that's generated from this imaging task. Next, we'll move on to File Image Method. Here your choices are DD, E01, EX01, and DMG. You can also choose the segment size from 2 gigabytes to whole disk. We'll choose 4 gigabytes. Click OK. For E01 and EX01, you can also choose whether to have compression on or off. Click OK. Under HPA DCO, this setting allows the user to set whether a drive's HPA or DCO is to be unlocked and imaged. For drive to file mode, bad sectors on the source drive are skipped. You can set the granularity to allow more sectors to be skipped. Your choices are 1 sector, 4096 bytes, or 64 KIB. When reverse read is set to yes, when the Falcon-NEO encounters a bad sector, it will skip past the block, then read backwards, potentially capturing data that may not be necessarily be read when skipping the entire block. For hash verification, the hash selection will hash the source drive with the selected method. For E01 and EX01, your choices are SHA-1, MD5, or dual hash, SHA-1 plus MD5. For verification, choose either primary or both to hash the destination and verify this hash with the selected source hash. The Falcon-NEO begins verification concurrently with the image process instead of sequentially. Depending on the speed of your destination drive, your image plus verify process time could be reduced by up to half. Click OK, and next we'll choose the destination. All drives connected to the destination side of Falcon-NEO, as well as any network repositories, will appear here. If the destination drive is not formatted properly, the location will appear as not mounted, and a format icon will appear in the format column. Click on the format icon to choose how you will format your destination drive. You have 4 choices of ext4, NTFS, exFAT, or FAT32. You can also choose to have encryption on or off. We'll select D1 as our destination drive. Click OK. Once you've made all of your setting selections and verified that you have the correct source and destination, just click Start. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to proceed. A progress bar will appear at the bottom of the screen, showing the bytes processed, the speed, elapsed time, and time remaining to complete the task. The number of bytes shown on the progress bar is not the actual size of the drive. This is the actual data being processed. When verify is set to yes, the reported number will double in size. A log file will be created for each operation performed on the Falcon-NEO. Log files can be accessed from the log icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Log files can be viewed or exported. Files are available in PDF, HTML, or XML format. You can scroll through to view a sample log file. Thank you for your interest in LogiCube's next generation forensic imager, Falcon-NEO. We hope you found this tutorial informative. To learn more about the forensic Falcon-NEO, visit our website at www.logicube.com or contact our sales team at sales@logicube.com.